three flagship camera phones, Oppo Find X8 Ultra, iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Apple and Pixel फोकस करते हैं सॉफ्टवेयर पे to get the best results. वहीं Oppo Find X8 Ultra goes all in on hardware. Pixel और Oppo दोनों में है 50 मेगापिक्सल मेन सेंसर्स, while iPhone 6 to a 48 megapixel sensor. But spec-wise, Oppo is tagged 1-inch 50 megapixel main sensor, two stabilized 50 megapixel periscope lenses at 3x and 6x और एक 50 megapixel ultra wide. और हाँ, यहाँ पर एक एडिशनल क्रोमा सेंसर भी है फॉर बेटर कलर्स एंड मोर एक्यूरेट स्किन टोन्स. प्लस यू गेट Hasselblad कलर ट्यूनिंग. टू कीप इट फेयर, सब फोटोज लिए गए हैं डिफॉल्ट मोड्स पे. iPhone ऑन स्टैंडर्ड, Oppo ऑन ओरिजिनल, Pixel ऑन ऑटो. नो फिल्टर्स, नो एडिटिंग. जो निकला है कैमरे से वही आपको दिखेगा. Let's start with the main cameras. Oppo's 1-inch 50 megapixel sensor pulls crazy detail and gives that full DSLR style blur, लेकिन colors थोड़े ज़्यादा saturated लगे. The iPhone's 48 megapixel sensor was more balanced, realistic tones, sharp results and shoots 24 megapixel by default, clean and consistent. Pixel's 50 megapixel sensor held up well, but कुछ shots looked underexposed, especially in tough lighting. तीनों में से iPhone के results सबसे natural लगे. Now let's talk ultra wide. Oppo's 50 megapixel sensor packs in detail, no doubt, लेकिन skin tones काफी warm थे and shadows got totally crushed. Pixel faced the same issue. Detail was fine, but low light में shots थोड़े dull और dark हो गए. iPhone handled it best. Colors looked natural, shadows were controlled, and overall, it gave the cleanest, most balanced ultra wide shots. Now this is where things get interesting. Zoom game. Pixel's got a 48 megapixel 5x periscope, iPhone 6 to a basic 12 megapixel 5x, and Oppo has 250 megapixel periscope lenses 3x and 6x. Up to 5x, Pixel and iPhone crop digitally. Detail काफी लूज हो जाती है. Oppo stays smooth and even at 6x, shots are super sharp, though colors थोड़े off लगने लगे. At 10x or even 20x, Oppo's photos still looked usable. मजे के लिए 120x भी ट्राई करा. Billboard text was readable, not pretty but it worked. So yeah, Oppo clearly dominates zoom. Low light में Oppo came out on top. That 1-inch sensor pulled in a ton of detail and even zoom shots were crisp. But the ultra wide was not great. Street lights के नीचे बहुत ज़्यादा lens flare था. Pixel wasn't far behind on the flaring. Plus थोड़ा green tint kicked in. Still, the main and 5x cams held up nicely. iPhone gave the darkest images, but honestly, they looked the most natural. Let's talk video. और यहाँ पे differences clearly दिखे. All three shoot 4K at 60 FPS, and both iPhone and Oppo support Dolby Vision HDR, which adds that extra pop. Pixel does 8K at 30 FPS, but only through cloud upscaling. iPhone's footage was the cleanest, vibrant and natural. Pixel's stabilization was unmatched, but clips looked thoda underexposed. Oppo produced flat and over-sharpened footage. Highlights पूरे blow हो गए. Front camera पे Pixel stayed stable but gave me yellow skin. iPhone looked more real but not as steady and Oppo delivered over-processed results. Low light में Pixel held up best. iPhone got grainy and Oppo looked clean but lifeless. As for the front camera, iPhone's got a 12 megapixel, Oppo's packing 32 megapixel, and Pixel leads with 42 megapixel. Good news, सब में autofocus मिलता है. Oppo's selfie was sharp and vibrant, but हाँ, tones थोड़े ज़्यादा warm हो गए. iPhone was actually a surprise. Decent detail but slightly underexposed. Pixel सबसे best था. Great detail, balanced colors and spot on exposure. Portrait mode really showed off each phone style. Oppo के 3x shots looked stunning. Soft skin, dreamy blur और details भी बढ़िया. But 6x पे colors बिल्कुल flat हो गए. Pixel का output consistent था. Nice skin tones, edges sharp, लेकिन bokeh थोड़ा fake लगा. iPhone gave the sharpest results, but focus कभी-कभी miss हुआ था. All three handled macros well, but Oppo was the clear winner. iPhone and Pixel used their ultra wide cams to get super close, लेकिन zoom करते ही detail soft हो गया. Oppo's 3x telephoto gave sharp results, and even at 6x, close-ups were crisp, बिना पास जाए काफी clear shots मिल गए. If I had to pick the best camera phone out of these three, मेरा वोट Oppo Find X8 Ultra को जाता. I love the punchy colors, that shallow depth from the 1-inch sensor, and those crazy good telephoto lenses, full marks for versatility. इस बार हार्डवेयर ने सॉफ्टवेयर को बीट कर दिया. But technically, the iPhone 16 Pro Max wins this shootout क्योंकि ये फ़ोन and the Pixel 9 Pro XL दोनों इंडिया में मिलते हैं. Oppo Find X8 Ultra unfortunately China exclusive है, and that's honestly a shame because this phone goes way beyond cameras. The Find X8 Ultra has a stunning matte finish, gorgeous 6.82-inch Quad HD Plus LTPO AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, up to 16 GB of RAM, 1 TB storage and a massive 6100 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging. ये फोन एक बीस्ट है and if it launched in India, मैं सबसे पहले लाइन में होता. Let me know आपका पिक कौन सा है, iPhone, Pixel या Oppo. लाइक करो वीडियो अगर मजा आया and I'll catch you in the next one.